If you're just starting from this point in the series, then there's a few things that you need to have set up in order to work with the examples so far. So the first thing that you'll need is to navigate to your resource pack after you download it from the website. Go to the Part 1 steps, and you need to copy over the 22nd step, which is a whole folder that includes all of the files that you need right now. When you open this folder, it will include a series of files, and you'll understand how these files come into play as you begin watching the videos. Now from this point forward, you'll need to have SAS installed. Specifically, we're using version 3.4.13. You'll need to have the extension SAS globbing installed, and both of these can be installed by using Bundler, which you should also install in order to move forward with the videos. Bundler uses a gem file, which is here, and this lists all of the gems that we're going to use, which include SAS and SAS globbing, as well as the other extensions that we'll add later on in the series. We're also using the Bower Package Manager, but all we've done with it so far is download the normalized CSS package. Because we're using Bundler, we're using a specific set of gems, and so you'll need to run Bundler in order to install those specific gems in the right place, so that ultimately you can use this command here in order to start watching your SAS files and converting them to CSS. You would run this on the command line. On Mac, you can use Terminal. On Windows, you can use the command prompt. This command assumes that you're using Bundler, so it starts with bundle exec. It also assumes that you've installed SAS and SAS globbing through Bundler, so the next parts are SAS and then SAS globbing. And then this command will watch for the SAS files to change and convert them into CSS as those changes are made. To open up the example in your browser, just double-click the index.html file and you're good to go.